Eat it. Good morning, guys. How you doing? It's your boy Mark. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button for your boy, or I will be your boy soon enough. And those of you that are returning viewers, homies, friends, the crew, thanks for joining. Welcome. Today, finally taking the Supra to start the teardown process at John from Enticed. It's gonna be John from Enticed and 412 that are gonna, that are gonna help tear this car down. Basically, John, we're gonna go over everything that he's gonna do, but we already talked about it in another video. So we're gonna do new downpipe, new exhaust, push the radiator this way, get a new radiator, new fans, wire tuck everything, delete ABS, do ducting for the radiator, do a new coil pack, new alternator, pull the motor out, put the billet main caps in there, retune it for like 1400 wheel if we can. Bunch of interior stuff. We're pulling the motor out. We're gonna do full Alcantara interior from front to back, everything, full paint job. It's gonna be nuts, and this is going to be the starting process of the full build. So I really can't wait to show you guys everything that I have planned. But without further ado, let's get in the car, let's drive. Oh, we're also going to put AC in the car, so let's get in the car. Let's drive it one last time without AC, and let's go to John from Entice's shop and see if we can go over the whole car that way. So of course, eat a dick. All right, let's get a cold start. Let's go. It's a fucking hot day today, so I'm gonna be fucked. Yeah, this car is gonna get hot real fast, and I don't have the alternator, the new alternator, so it's limited on power, so I'm not even gonna push it. But this car feels way different than my Skyline. Every single fucking time I drive it, totally different car. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to break everything down finally. So fans are about to kick on. See the voltage? See how it dropped like crazy? "13 volts is okay, 12.9, but when I get on it, it goes a little lower. So I think the new alternator that I have, we're gonna put on here is definitely gonna change it. And we got the crazy ass Odyssey battery in the back. That's gonna change it. That should help too with everything. So just little by little, we're gonna fix everything. It's trial and error, you guys. Grounded this car feels. It's like, it feels so predictable. The steering and all this shit is just, fuck, it's like this car is so sick, man. GoPros all over the fucking car. I'm gonna race everybody in Mexico, obviously. So, speaking of Mexico. We're here. Hi guys, I'm here at Enticed, and it's very enticing, you know, to want to come over here and do some work. You guys saw the Ford GT exhaust that he did, but this is with the exhaust off the ground, so you guys can kind of see as to how precise their fab work is. This is the whole exhaust system from headers all the way back. Insane work. You guys did all that, so it's pretty sick. I'm gonna go over everything with John and see if I'll bring you guys along for that whole process, and we'll go from there. So for sure that we're gonna do downpipe exhaust full. I prefer 3.5 inch all the way. Okay, that's my preference.
Are you trying to stay titanium, or are you trying to go
no stainless?
Stainless?
Yeah,
okay,
exactly
cool.
what you like. Okay. So stainless, so all the way down. I'd like to go hard lines for all the wastegates.
Okay, hard line for wastegates and blow valve, or just wastegate?
Well, everything.
Okay.
You know, do you recommend that? Just nice and clean?
It's clean. Like this works too. It's just a lot cleaner. I think even this you can make a lot cleaner as is. Okay. But if you want to do hard lines, it's always a nice look.
Well, here's my
nice look.
Here's my thing. Everything from this here, I want it clean. Gone. because of it, not only gone, but I want you to build like something where it's almost going to imitate like a tub, so that when I paint everything, it's all clean.
Got it. Okay.
So if it means clocking the wastegate this way and doing a hard line just to clear it up, then so be it.
I don't think we should round it out, right, to make it look like a tub. Reason being is because if you look at the shape here, it's a straight angled shot. You see this? Yeah.
Well, it doesn't have to be round, but I do want a cover so that I paint everything. So it doesn't have to be round.
Okay. But just to make a cover, pretty much.
Yeah, basically a nice cover, just because I'm going to paint the whole thing.
Now, do you want it welded on or bolted on? That's a big difference. So we can weld it, and you can have nice beads with the weld. Well, it's hard to weld this with nice beads because it's metal. It has a lot of...
It's aluminum, isn't it?
I don't know on these, but even then, aluminum too. The problem is it's already painted and contaminated, so it's really hard to get all this material out of it.
Okay.
But either way, we can make it to where it's bolted on and you can take it on and off, or we can weld it and smoothen out the weld so it looks like it's just part of the car.
It would be a lot easier if it was just bolt on, right?
It makes no difference. I mean, all you're deducting is the welding part. It's more of a preference thing, right? It depends on what your goal is in mind. And
oh, well, my preference is as clean as possible, so welding it.
Okay, for sure.
Yeah, my preference is welding it, and same on the other side. Okay, and then on this side, obviously, you advise that we'll get rid of this, we'll get rid of that, you'll do all in one.
All in one, yeah.
Okay, so
your catch can with
exactly. So we'll do all in one. We'll delete ABS completely, right?
Where do you want the catch can?
You decide.
Okay.
You decide.
And then I can make the radiator, right?
Yeah, so what I was thinking is, first of all, we'll take off these intercooler pipings so that we can move the radiator forward a little bit.
Gotcha.
And then you tell me what radiator dimensions we get, whatever. We can put a custom AC condenser between there, and then redo the AC line so it does match the whole, like, cleaning up this area, getting it out of the way.
Okay.
I have the AC compressor. I'd bring the compressor. Yeah. I also have the new alternator. I'd bring the new alternator.
Okay.
The 280 amp one or whatever.
Yeah.
The big one, DC power. I got what you recommended.
Right.
And then what I'd like as well, obviously wire tuck as much stuff as possible.
Okay. Now Did you guys make this harness, or was this like a harness you guys bought off of?
No, it was made.
It was made.
Sam said he wants to come and pull off the main harness because he has to do a bunch of wiring still. Other than the downpipe and exhaust, the theme is basically clean up and do it your style. Okay. Where it's the way that it needs to be done.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then obviously if you need new radiator, new fans, whatever, that's it.
Okay, so why don't we start off with downpipe exhaust and hard lines, and then meanwhile you bring me the alternator, the AC compressor, and the rear brakes. Okay. This way we can start on it right away, because if not, we're going to be sitting around.
No, of course, yeah. I have everything that we just talked about. Well, the rear brakes, they'll be here in like 2 weeks. Okay. But then this is what I was thinking about putting the handbrake. The manual Supra.
The hydraulic brake, right?
Well, I want a traditional handbrake.
Gotcha. Okay. I would have to figure it out. I'm pretty sure we can figure something out.
Okay, but this whole piece comes off. So I'm just thinking just put a handbrake literally exactly how this is and it'll be fucking perfect.
Maybe we could use like a BMW style handbrake, because those tend to sit real tight to the center
right here. This whole piece comes off. So if
you want to do that, yeah, tear up this interior.
It comes off. It's like a snap-on.
No, I know, but I'm saying it's a clean look, you know.
Oh, I know, but first of all, it gets in the way. The manual Supra doesn't even have that because it gets in the way. So the shop that's painting the whole car is going to do the whole interior Alcantara. So if we're going to do something, I can have them wrap it all in Alcantara anyway. So it's going to be clean.
And then this has an e-brake, right? Electric e-brake?
No, it comes with it, but it's not on.
Gotcha. Is there a reason why it's not on?
Yeah, because we lost the dual caliper on the stock brake, and I was gonna get a big brake kit, so I didn't want to do it. Oh, and then I'm a dumbass. I didn't measure that this battery wasn't gonna fit. Got it. So I don't know. I'd like to make the battery fit. Maybe take it out and shave down a little and just make it fit.
I'm not sure you can do that to a battery.
No, not the battery.
Oh, you're talking about the
like the frame of the car or whatever. Just shave it down or make a little slit so the battery kind of goes in a little bit, just so this.
Okay. I mean, in all honesty, I don't even think you need this big of a battery.
Well, yeah.
I mean, it's a 2J, you know?
I know, but it's just a car.
So it sits like that, huh?
It's like that. Oh. I'm an idiot.
This is terrible.
I know. But whatever we do, they're gonna do the whole carpet, do everything again, like do all Alcantara, everything. So
okay.
I don't know. It's just another thing.
Right.
And that's basically it. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. You're the best, obviously. Guys, it's gonna start, and it's open house policy. Basically, while he's opening business, I can come here, film stuff, right? Anytime, film stuff. Keep you guys updated one by one. Yeah, as always, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Claw that subscribe button for your boy. I really appreciate all you guys, everything that you guys, all the love that you guys show me. I truly appreciate it. I am gonna finish this car completely. So in a few months, it's gonna be completely done. There's nothing left that's gonna be able to be done for this car. Everything will be finished. And my vision's gonna finally come to reality. So I'm very stoked. I can't wait to take you guys on with the journey. But again, once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys. Claw that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.